Good morning, everybody. Welcome to my channel. Today is March 24th, 2022. A day that will live in infamy. It's Asianna's 10th birthday. She is 10 years old today. I can't believe it. That little girl. Oh, I love her so much. Good morning, Asianna. Happy birthday. She's an angel. So today we're going to take her and we're going into Manila. That's going to be fun. We're going to the Mall of Asia and get a hotel room, stay the night. They have lots of fun things to do there. Ferris wheel, and at night they have a big firework display. It's going to be a blast. I'm sure we'll get some good video out of it. We'll get some video because we always do. So thank you for joining me and stay tuned. Asianna, happy birthday.
Good morning. Thank you very much. They're greeting.
How old are you today, honey?
What?
How old are you today? 10 years old? Oh my God. And where are we going? We're going to the Mall of Asia
Yes.
to ride the Ferris wheel
And eat.
and eat and eat and eat in
And
the
sleep
restaurant.
there. Not in the Mall of Asia Hotel.
We'll sleep outside on the street by the Mall of Asia.
No. The guy will say, hey, get out there.
Okay, well, we're going to have fun today.
Yes.
We'll talk to you later. We got to pack up and get ready to go now. With all of our fancy clothes.
This is the same t-shirt. The same clothes because I have no clothes.
You have no clothes?
A dress clothes.
Oh, that's nice looking. So don't worry, we're going to have fun. You. So I'll take it. You're this little girl. All the Jeeps, most of these Jeeps aren't too fancy. Some in the city are just really decked out with all kinds of cool designs and everything. You can take a look at the inside. This is what they are, public transportation. They're back and forth. Down to the thing. Huh?
No, go in front. Go in front. May stay mo ko me?
What?
Kasi sana, tayo natin yung kasunod. Kasi hindi siya makao. Teka, sabihin ko lang, wait lang ha. Malibago sana kami.
Well, why do you tell me to get in front and then tell me no?
Oh, because he said it's vacant, but no, it's not.
Hey.
He just told me that there's somebody sitting there already.
Okay. Well, why'd you tell me to get in there? So here we go again, Asianna. You can see my head's turned this way because I'm so tall, it's bumps.
Yes.
But somebody was kind enough to give me the front seat, so that's nice. Whoever gave me the front seat, thank you.
Can I get the fan?
It's hot.
Walking electric fan.
Rocket electric fan. Asianna's birthday trip. So we're trying to be happy-go-lucky. Here we stop in Balibago for a bubblegum break before we catch our next bus. Very interesting little city here. Very busy.
He wants to buy a red dress.
Red dress? Okay. Sounds good to me.
There's shirts for you.
Jollibee. Well, we just gotta find we're talking about where we going here?
Ayala. Ayala.
Ayala.
Then get down
PP.
to get another ride for jeepney to Buendia.
So we're now on the bus. Take us into Manila. 2 hours approximately, I think.
I think only an hour.
Here we are at the Mall of Asia. Very large mall. This is outside, which is right outside, right?
Pasay. Yeah.
Part of Metro Manila. Yeah. This is just the start. The front entrance. Hi, Asianna.
Hi. I'm busy taking a picture.
You're going to be taking a video. The birthday girl's all tired out. And we didn't even get to see the fireworks.
Where's the cake?
Where's the cake? How about a donut? Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Waiting for some chicken in the mall. And we're tired. Well, it's been a long day here at the mall. We're very, very tired. Tired. Ready to go back to the hotel and get some rest. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe, like, Asianna.
Like and subscribe. And click the notification bell. Ding ding.
Till next time.
Next time for tomorrow.
Rooftop pool in Manila at Lunata Park Hotel. Everybody's having such a good time. Wow. Yeah. Well, it's Mercado.
So look at those. So guys, I'm here at the pool and mommy is there. Say hi to the vlog. Daddy. Say hi to the vlog. I said say hi. You said all right. This is so nice pool because when I was here, I'm looking this underground when I was here and seeing this if it's so 8 feet like that. 8 feet, wow, like that because I don't know how to swim, right? Yeah, so that's why I need to learn. And there they are, just taking a breath. So, ta-da! It's so nice right here because it's windy with sunny. Windy with sunny. Windy with sunny. Windy with sunny. Sunny with windy, huh? Right? Sunny with windy. Actually, guys, you can see Mommy is just taking us a video. Mommy can't swim because her clothes is cotton. The cotton clothes here is not supposed to be to get here because that's the rules here. Ouch. Hi guys, so we are at Burger King. We are still in Manila. This is a long story. This is day 2 because Daddy wants another overnight at hotel. So we are still in Manila. So we're gonna see you guys if the food is here now. Ryan with rice. I want to eat, So let's just, let's eat. We're not moving yet, but I'm eating.
Yeah.
Hey, look.
Is this the only way to go to on the bus?
Penit. Penit.